Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I've got a lot of pallets to tear down. A lot of them. I've watched several videos of different methods people use to do this, and I've tried several of them, and they really didn't work out that great for me. All the methods I was using, of course, was busting the wood, which I do not want since I'm going to use these boards. So after watching a few more, I came up with this. Square-inch tubing, some angle iron, I got my wide angle iron, 2-inch angle iron. Got one of 2 tubes on the bottom. Then I welded tubing handle with a smaller piece of angle iron on this to give it more support. This works really good. Boards came off fairly easy, without busting the wood, just like I wanted. Hope this video has helped a lot of people. If it has, please hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you.